Jeff Hansen. I want to introduce to you a product I currently have out, and it's to solve the problem of barricade cones and the various hazards that we purchase cones for. To store a numerous amount of cones to identify trip hazards, working above or slippery floors, what we have is, the problem is we have so many cones, storing them in our trailers, our work vehicles, or our shops, it gets to be a challenge. Also shipping. When we order these through the cone company, you pay extra freight to have the heavy cone shipped. You pay extra to have each cone stenciled with your particular warning that it might be. You might have two different size cones, and you have stenciled, and you pay for the shipping on these as well. But what happens with stenciled cones is they always wear off. No matter what company I've ordered from, I've always had the stencils wear off. So what I've come up with is a simple cone sleeve. So this cone sleeve fits any type of a round cone, and what it does is it'll identify a caution working above, or we also offer the caution trailing hoses, the tripping hazard for using water-fed poles or whatnot. So we compare the trip hazard along with this cone, and you can switch them out easily from cone to cone. If I'm not working the trip hazard water-fed any longer, we can switch these cones over to a working above if we're doing some ladder work or some high-rise work in a certain area. So I'm trying to put these cone sleeves out just to eliminate the bulk shipping. Now you can buy your cones locally and just add whatever warning or hazard that you want to whatever work site you're currently working on. In the window cleaning industry, our jobs change so often. We might water fed, we might have a couple hours later be doing some ladder work or even some high-rise rope descent work. So as those needs change, we can use the same cone for the different hazards to identify the general public of what work is being done in those areas. That's a look at the cone sleeve.